The Virginia Department of Transportation, DOT, is investing in artificial intelligence to reduce costs and maintain road quality. The initiative aims to leverage AI technology to improve efficiency in road maintenance and management. DOT's plan includes using AI to analyze data from various sources, such as traffic patterns and road conditions, to predict maintenance needs. This proactive approach is expected to prevent road deterioration and extend the lifespan of infrastructure. By implementing AI, DOT hopes to optimize resource allocation, ensuring that funds are used effectively to address the most critical maintenance issues. This strategy is part of a broader effort to modernize the state's transportation infrastructure. The use of AI in road maintenance is anticipated to lead to significant cost savings for DOT. By accurately predicting when and where maintenance is needed, the department can avoid unnecessary repairs and focus on areas that require immediate attention. DOT's AI initiative is also expected to enhance safety for drivers by ensuring that roads are kept in optimal condition. Well-maintained roads reduce the risk of accidents and improve overall traffic flow. The integration of AI technology into DOT's operations represents a shift towards more data-driven decision-making. This approach allows for more precise planning and execution of maintenance activities. As DOT continues to develop its AI capabilities, the department is exploring partnerships with technology companies and research institutions. These collaborations aim to advance AI applications in transportation. The success of DOT's AI initiative could serve as a model for other states looking to improve their transportation systems. By demonstrating the benefits of AI in road maintenance, DOT hopes to inspire similar efforts nationwide.